Hi guys, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and set up Maven for your test automation practice. So before download and set up Maven, we just want to make sure Java and Maven status in your machine. So guys, let's check the status first, right? So press Window and R key in your keyboard, just type CMD here and click on this OK button, right? So you will get this command prompt, right? Here just type Java dash version to check the Java status, right? So here you can see the Java status. So that means you successfully set up your Java, right? So if you still didn't install and set up Java in your machine, you can refer my previous tutorial on how to do that, right? And just check Maven status as well, right? Maven dash version, right? You can see we still didn't set up Maven files, right? So just click on, just close this command prompt, just open your web browser, go to google.com and just type like download Apache Maven, right? So you can select this first option, which is from maven.apache.org, right? Click on this Maven download Apache Maven link. So in this page, just scroll down little and you can select this binary zip archive option, right? Just click on this bin.zip link, right? Since I have already downloaded, I am going to cancel this. Once it is downloaded, please go to your downloaded folder, right? So here I already copied that file to my local disk C, right? You also can create a folder called Maven and just paste that file inside this Maven folder, right? So now guys, now we need to set up the Mavens, right? So just type in this front area like env, right? You will get this environment variable section. Just click on that and click on this environment variables as well, right? So here we need to set up Maven underscore home variable and the M2 underscore home variables. So we need to set up those two variables in this user variable section, right? So click on this new button, right? So just type Maven underscore home, all in caps, right? Go to this folder and go inside this Apache Maven folder. Just copy this path, right? Just paste it here, right? So, and we need to set up M2 underscore home variable as well, right? Just give the same path here as well. Click on OK. And in this system variable section, we need to give the Maven path here as well, right? So just click on this path, right? Click on this edit, go to new section, right? And paste the previous path and give us a dash slash and give bin, right? And click on this OK button here, right? Now you can click on the OK button in this one as well, right? Now that means we successfully set up the Maven related variables. We just want to make sure we did it in a correct way or not, right? So again guys, just press Window and R key, right? Click on this OK button. So in this command prompt, just type Maven dash version to check the Maven status, right? So here guys, you can see Apache Maven 3.6.3. So that means we successfully set up the Maven, right? So guys, that's it. So hope you guys enjoy this video and I will come up with another video tutorial as soon as possible from my end. So if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe today to get notified for new videos. So guys, thank you. Bye.